Phase 10 Flip. How to play. The rules are the same as regular Phase 10 except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. There are two sides to the cards, the light colored side and the dark wild side. All cards in the deck, discard pile, and your hand, as well as when you draw a card, must face the same direction as the side you're currently playing. Deal with the colored side face down. Players then hold the cards with the colored side facing them. The draw deck starts color side down, and the discard pile begins with the color side face up. If the first card discarded is a flip card, ignore that action. Whenever a player discards a flip card, flip over the draw deck, discard pile, and all the cards in all the players' hands. Do not flip over completed phases. The new side will remain in play until another flip card is discarded. When playing with the dark side, each card can be any color you want. You are allowed to play wild-sided cards on color phases and color-sided cards on wild phases. If you play a color side card on a wild phase, that phase is now that color. Give each player a reference card, which indicates the new phases they must complete. The star symbol can be any number. There is no limit to the number of stars you can have in a phase, but you must have at least one number card. At the end of the round, the colored side and wild side points are the same, and you only score points for the side of the cards facing you when the round ends.